Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with SIRA. Visit www.sira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security. Don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to Amavenza to TV. It's the Carling Black Label Cup. Orlando Pirates 1, Richards Bay 0. I'm joined by my brother Kamabanu Pumagupi.
Lokhuluma wasithibo ulungelo kwamadondo phansi emnambithi kwafela ubala amadoda. Sithibo angizokhuluma ngakho mina ngizonitshela ukuthi eSouth Africa yonke iphelele. Akekho umuntu odlala unumber 10 ukudlula umduduzi Shabalala. Abantu i-football knowledge ayikho kuwo. Mina ngitheni kuwe umuntu awuthuli. Umuntu receiver in tight spaces. Akekho odlula umduduzi Shabalala. Sibo, iPirates ihlezi nebholeli. Yabona namhlanje la. Bathi ngekho ibholeli. iPirates Sibo. Ngeke win
Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their SIRA identification card?